Well, as the BJP is speaking about Kailash Gehlot, let's put out also when it comes to this development that has now taken place in the Aam Aadmi Party, now whose top leader, Arvind Kejriwal, left the Chief Minister's kursi and Sheesh Mahal to take Imandari referendum ahead of the all-important 2025 Delhi Assembly elections, has now been jolted by a humongous setback by one of his closest aides and top Aam Aadmi Party leader and Delhi Mantri Kailash Gehlot. Now, Gehlot, who resigned from the Council of Ministers, was overseeing multiple portfolios, including that of transport, revenue and IT. In his letter, he's now cited that Times Now's path-breaking Sheesh Mahal expose, which revealed how Arvind Kejriwal splurged over 45 crores of the taxpayers' money for the renovation of his official bungalow as Chief Minister during the COVID period. Operation Sheesh Mahal showed how the people of Delhi, where a whopping 97 lakh rupees was just spent on Sheesh Mahal's curtains, on the pardas. But now, even when it comes to the uber luxurious curtains of the Sheesh Mahal, cannot contain the cracks within the Aam Aadmi Party. Kailash Gehlot says in his loaded resignation letter, and I quote, "There are many embarrassing and awkward controversies like the Sheesh Mahal, which are now making everyone doubt whether we still believe in being the Aam Aadmi." Not just the Sheesh Mahal, he also spoke about the Aam Aadmi Party's unfulfilled Yamuna cleanup promises, saying, and I quote once again, "Take, for example, the Yamuna, which we had promised to transform into a clean river, but never got around doing it. Now the Yamuna is perhaps more polluted than ever before," unquote. The Aam Aadmi Party, which is now battling this crisis, says that the former Mantri Gehlot's letter is a script written by the BJP. They believe that Kailash Gehlot has resigned, fearing pressure when it comes to the central investigative agencies like the ED and the CBI. Though the BJP has claimed this is the last nail in the coffin of the Aam Aadmi Party, while the Aam Aadmi Party of Delhi is bearing the brunt of the political and civic mess, starting today, as we've been talking about, grab 4 measures that have now been put in place, imposing more restrictions to battle the massive pollution emergency. The politics in the war of words, however, continues.
सर, कैलाश गहलोत जी ने आज रिजाइन कर दिया पार्टी से और मंत्री पद से, इसको लेकर आप क्या कहेंगे? सर, कैलाश गहलोत जी ने आज रिजाइन कर दिया पार्टी से और मंत्री पद से, इसको लेकर आप क्या कहेंगे?
कैलाश गहलोत का आज आम आदमी पार्टी छोड़ना, ऐसा लगता है कि आम आदमी पार्टी के पाप का घड़ा भर चुका है। मुझे लगता है ये आम आदमी पार्टी का पूरा जो नौका है ना, वो तार तार होकर के बिखर चुकी है।
भारतीय जनता पार्टी की घिनौनी और षड्यंत्रकारी राजनीति का हिस्सा है। उन्होंने कैलाश गहलोत के ऊपर ईडी के छापे मरवाए, ईडी ने कई घंटों तक उनसे पूछताछ किया, मानसिक रूप से प्रताड़ित किया, और आज वही स्क्रिप्ट जो भारतीय जनता पार्टी लिख के देती है, वही स्क्रिप्ट कैलाश गहलोत जी के द्वारा बोली जा रही है।
जिस बात को हम दिल्ली की जनता से लगातार कहते आ रहे हैं, आज उसकी पुष्टि की है कि अरविंद केजरीवाल भ्रष्ट हैं और दिल्ली को लूटने में लगे हैं। कैलाश गहलोत ने तो सिर्फ उनको आईना दिखाया है कि शीश महल, यमुना और ऐसे अनेक मुद्दे हैं जिस पे कैलाश गहलोत अब धीरे धीरे बोलेंगे, जो मेरे को उनकी चिट्ठी देखने से लग रहा है।
See, there were several impending cases on him, ED cases as well, CBI as well, and income tax cases as well. The BJP clearly has gotten its allies reactivated prior to the elections. The CBI is in full form again, so is the ED. They've started their low-stooping politics, what they're known for. So it is possibly because jail की struggle सबसे नहीं झेली जाती, and perhaps that is why he's gone to the BJP.
Well, this is coming across as a big setback to the Aam Aadmi Party in the national capital just before the assembly elections early next year. With that, we head into a short break.